4-star beach resort sa Bohol for only 2,170. Beachfront, may dalawang swimming pool, may spa at breakfast buffet for 2. Sikat din ito as a wedding venue dahil sa kanyang romantic vibe. This is Blue Water Resorts Panglao.
Strategic ang location, 10 minutes away lang from the airport. May easy access sa mga sikat na tourist spots tulad ng Chocolate Hills, Villar Man-Made Forest, Tarsier Sanctuary at ang bago sa Bohol, ang Mirror of the World. Premier Deluxe room with pool view yung binook namin. May 2 queen-size beds na parang lumulutang. Siguradong masarap ang tulog mo dito. May TV, minibar, ref at dresser. May bathtub din at malaki ang bathroom. May balcony at quick access sa swimming pool.
They have 2 swimming pools, one near the rooms at yung isa naman katabi ng Aplaya Restaurant, kung saan mo pwedeng matikman ng Allegro Salad, adobo rice at beef rendang. Sa Aplaya Restaurant din karaniwang ginagawa ang mga wedding receptions. Pwede ka din mag-happy hour by the pool sa Baroto Bar. Pwede din kayo magpa-setup ng dinner by the beach.
Wow!
Comment Ubi Halaya Dinner kung gusto nyo ng full review ng dining experience namin.
Our room cost 10,845. Pero you can get a room for as low as 2,170. Turo namin sa inyo kung paano. Open Klook app. Search for Blue Water Panglao Beach Resort. Select Deluxe Room Garden View at date. Then enter promo code Chuck and Joe 5 off para may discount kayo. Total niyan after discount is 4,326. So kung dalawa kayo, 2,163 each lang.
Take note, may breakfast ng kasama yun ha, kaya wag niyong palampasin yung sikwate at ensimada with ube.